2020 Panini Playoff Football for Dylan. Good luck, man. Well, we got you Herbert jersey. Now we need the Herbert rookie auto, right? DuVernay. Zach Bond, I'm sorry, on the rookie card. Well, nice double jersey, Peyton Manning, Broncos and Colts. Changing stripes. Josh Kelly. Let me look. I'll start looking. I don't think they're numbered. I don't think you've got any so far, but let me look. Hunter Renfrow, 3 of 99. T. Higgins. Keyshawn Vaughn autograph, 6 of 10 for the Bucks. Nice low numbered autograph, man. Gold rookie auto. Rodgers and Adams. Joe Burrow, call to arms. These are really sharp, but it's not numbered. That's nice. 15 of 25, Chase Claypool. Kind of looks maybe like the parallels. We haven't seen a numbered one of this yet, though. You would think they would make them. Josh Kelly, DeAndre Swift, Joe Burrow turning pro jersey. Man. You got Herbert. You got Burrow. Call to arms, Aaron Rodgers. Drew Brees. Donovan Peoples-Jones. Shaq Barrett out of 99. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Oh, nice. 12 of 23. Oh, very good. Way to keep going, man. I know it's not huge, but that helps. 12 of 23. Contenders rookie ticket autograph. Chase Young. Yeah, very nice. DeAndre Hopkins. Troutman rookie. Jalen Reagor. And last pack. Good luck, Dylan. That's nice. 35 of 49, Aaron Rodgers. Wentz, call to arms. Dylan, that was a much, much nicer box. Congrats.